Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up Best Buy alerts for price drop. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and download the free Best Buy application and make sure that you've installed it onto your device. And all you need to do now is gonna simply go ahead and head into the drop section on home right over here, as you can see. And all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on notify me for drop on upcoming products, and you will get a push notification roughly 30 minutes before the sale goes live. So it is so simple. The other way you can go ahead and do so is going to be by saving or favoriting your item. So if you simply go ahead and save or favorite this item, for example, just like that, by clicking on the heart, it's going to go ahead and update you every time there's a different update with this product. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.